Everything you need to know about making money online. Most everyone wants to learn how to make more money. And many people want the luxury of freelancing on their own, but they just do not know where to start. What if you could make money online by working from the comfort of your own home? Well, you might just be surprised to learn that you can. Continue watching to learn what you need to know. When you target making money online, decide what your niche will be. Are you good at writing? Become a content writer. Do you have a talent for graphic design? Do graphic design for other companies online. Introspection will help you along. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Tutoring others is a growing business. So, if you want to work at home, consider e-teaching. Sites like Tutor Vista and Smart Thinking allow you to put your knowledge to use. You'll be surprised at how well you can do. Look through Google and search on how to make cash online. This will provide you with a ton of options. Once you have found a good-looking opportunity, research the company reputation and reviews. Always exercise caution when affiliating yourself with any online enterprise. Enter contests and sweepstakes. By just entering one contest, your odds aren't great. Your odds are substantially better, however, when you enter multiple contests regularly. Taking a little time to enter a few free contests daily could really pay off in the future. Make a new email account just for this purpose. You don't want your inbox overflowing with spam. As you can see, making money online is no longer a pipe dream. There are people all across the globe who are now making great money online. You will be able to be your own boss and make your own decisions about how much money you bring in from now on. Good luck! Student loan.